Kathryn Braun, an environmental attorney and a member of the Zoning Commission here in Fairfield. Kathy, environmental issues have been a big concern for you. Can you talk about what mass density looks like in our towns from an environmental standpoint? Does the state have goals in terms of preserving open space?
Yes. In fact, the state has a goal of preserving 21% of all the land that exists as open space, about half of that at the town level and half of it at the state level. And according to the commission, the State Commission on Environmental Quality, it will take us 65 years to achieve that goal because of how slow it is going. It's very difficult, as you can imagine. You have development pressure, you have rules and regulations, you have budget issues, and you have a lot of development pressure. Now you have laws like this that are we're constantly fighting back on these bills. The bills that I've viewed in general have almost no accommodation for open space. There are bills that have carve-outs for things like wetlands, but even those are usually vaguely worded or incomplete. And they don't, there's nothing ever carved out that I can see for open space that's not already preserved by easement or by dedication as open space. There's plenty of open space out there we need to preserve. Add to that the issue of climate change, and not just coastal communities, but other communities will all be affected by flooding, by drought, by water supply, drinking water supplies. Open space helps with all of that. And if I've just done a lot of research on it, but forested areas provide what they call ecological services, which actually we should be paying for. We should pay people to preserve forested land undisturbed because it cleans the water, cleans the air, it sequesters carbon dioxide, and it also provides flood control and drought control. And I believe in the future, we're going to have to expand our wetlands protective buffers and our water company protective buffers to keep the water clean. And we're not doing that. And if we allow these laws to pass, these bills to pass, we're going to lose the open space we have. There's no one goal should not supersede the other goal. The need for affordable housing should not supersede the need to protect open space and to plan for our environmental health into the future.
Yeah, thanks, Kathy.